Most people try to make money online the wrong way by chasing glitch method, and that's why they quit. In this video, I will show you 5 realistic options, but one of them is completely different from what most creators recommend. Stay until the end because the last one works globally, but only if you understand one important detail, then you are going to catch it all. Let me be clear, this is not an overnight success. This method work, but only if you stay consistent. I am going to break down exactly what they are, who they are for, and what to realistically expect. I have ranked this from the easiest to start to the most skilled intensive. So like you can see on your screen, we are going to be looking at method 1, which is the micro task and data feedback. So here you see discover your dreams. You discover your dream remote jobs and how to do it. So this is the method 1 we are going to start about. So you see here, you go to start your job, you search, you start your job. This is the one that is very easy and you can do it from any corner. This is the easiest to start, but also the competitive. Could you realistically do this 1 hour, 1 to 2 hours daily? So you see, it's just about solving a quality remote job. As you can see, you have the step 1, answer a few simple questions, and step 2 is easy, apply to jobs you like, and step 3 you start your remote work. And if you can do this 1 hour to 2 hours daily, here is what most beginners don't realize: the money isn't in the tax, it is in the efficiency of the work that you do. So you get continue as you enter. So you have been asked some few questions on what to do. So here you just need to take next. Like you can see from here, this is what they pay, what the minimum you likely to earn if you do the survey correct by answering the questions and following every step, and you can spend 1 hour to 2 hours daily. Then they are going to be paying you S35,000 per year, as you can see, and you also have it per month if you want, like you can see. So we are going to go to method 2, which is content repurposing, in bracket editing. So here we are going, you take long form videos and cut them into short. For someone that does YouTube content, you know what this one means. So it's not difficult. We are going to be using a particular app which is called InShot. I think InShot is very easy for anyone to navigate through because their processes are very easy. So we are taking InShot as our second method. Now you can cut your videos into short in this InShot. So you come to this plus icon where you see here, you touch the plus icon, and you go to video / photos. It will take you to your gallery, and the video you have uploaded already, you are going to select from there, and you take, if you have uploaded 2 videos, you can take 2 videos or 3. Then you take the video to InShot. This is how the video will look like when you bring it here. This is how the video will look like you can see from an example of the tutorial I am doing. So what you are going to do now is that you want to cut this into short because you don't want to post it as long as it is. So this is what you do. Here are the process you take. So if you are going to cut into short, like I told you, you are going to use this place where you see pre-cut. You are going to touch, later for instance, we want to cut this portion of the video. Now we are going to go to pre-cut, we touch. Then here in pre-cut, you see where they say trim and you have cut split. So we are going to take this arrow here. You see the right arrow and the left arrow. So you are going to trim it right to the section where you want it to end. Let's say for instance that we are ending here, and you don't want also the last part of that video. You also come to this one, you draw it, then you take it right close to where you want it to end. Then I think it is okay. And then what you do now is that what you save it. Then you are done with your shot. You have already had one shot already from a long form video that you can use for your content. So that is all about the cut as you do. So now your content is already made, your short is already available. Like you can see, this is what I have done. It's already available, no difficulties. So now this one is better if you prefer being the behind the scene. Method number 3 is where income potential increases, but so does responsibility also as well. Yeah, like I was saying, method 3 is the craziest, is the one that if you focus well, you are going to make the money as well. So we are going to be looking at the method 3, which is specialize on content, specialize on YouTube content. Guys, this YouTube content is actually something that is good. I am going to be taking you step by step on how I have made my success and journey on this YouTube content. So like I was saying, doing YouTube content, like you can see, this is my channel, what I have been doing so far. Like you can see, you need to own a YouTube channel where you can also make income from them just by posting videos like I showed you from the InShot, from the second method, that you can do short clip videos and you can also combine them together to make your content. And this is how far I have been making. This is the amount of money I have been paid so far. Like you can see, these are my screenshot of payment. These are the videos I have been making from content creation. So guys, this is actually good. So that is all for method 3. If you want to know more about the method 3, then you can get to my DM, then I'm going to make you understand it more better. So since we are doing it for a tutorial, so now you are going to understand one thing. This won't replace a full salary immediately, but it can cover your monthly bills. Most people quit this too early because they don't specialize, and that is why they never see the high rate of it. YouTube is actually a good platform, but you need to be consistent. You can give yourself 1 to 2 hours a day and you will see the outcome. So you can pick one method from the video and focus on it for 30 days. Which one fits you personally? Let me know in the comments if you want practical breakdown without hyper. Subscribe.